Let's start. The project name is Single Choice Alert Dialog. Let's see the project structure. Here we have a main activity, and a Single Choice Alert Dialog class. And in the UI, we have activity_main.xml, which is the layout of main activity. Let's see the UI. Here we have a button, with Show Single Choice Dialog as the text. Let's see the code. Here, we have a constraint layout as the root layout. And this is the button. Let's see the Java code now. These are the imports. This is the Single Choice Dialog class, which extends the dialog fragment. In the data members, we have an alert dialog builder, a dialog, a context, and a string array data, which we will use as a list of radio buttons for single choice items. In the constructor, we set the context and data. In the onCreate dialog, first we set the title of the dialog. Then, we set the single choice items, where we pass the string array first, then we set the checked item parameter to 0, so that the 0th element of the array is pre-selected, and then in the onClick function, we make the toast and show the selected item in it. Then we set the positive button with OK as the text. When the OK button is clicked, we dismiss the dialog and show a toast. Then we set the negative button with Cancel as the text. When the Cancel button is clicked, we dismiss the dialog and show a toast. At last, we create the alert dialog. Now, let's see the main activity. These are the imports. This is the main activity. This is the string array that we will use as a single choice items list. In the onCreate function, on the button click event, first we create an object of single choice dialog class, and then show the alert dialog. The setCancelable function is set to false, so that when the user clicks somewhere on the screen, the alert dialog won't be dismissed automatically, and will stay on the screen. Now, let's run the app. Here you can see a single choice alert dialog, which has a list of radio buttons. When I click an item, its name gets highlighted in the toast. So that's it. That's how you can implement a single choice alert dialog in Java Android. Thanks for watching.